Hello everyone, we are the Labdoo University High School team, and today we're going to be showing you how to replace the hard drive for a Toshiba computer. To begin, power down the computer and unplug the power source. Then, flip the device over and remove all necessary screws, including the battery. Next, locate the hard drive of the computer, which should be about the size of the palm of your hand, and remove it, including all screws necessary. Depending on the device, the hard drive may include a casing. If so, remove the hard drive and the casing, and slowly unscrew the screws attaching the casing from the hard drive. Once the screw is removed, slide the hard drive out of its casing and replace it with a new functioning hard drive. Reattach all the screws. And then place the hard drive and its case back in its original position. Once this is done, screw all the remaining screws back in its original position. Reattach the battery, flip it over, and you have just successfully replaced the hard drive for a Toshiba computer. Go ahead and open the computer and power it on to see if it works. This concludes our video on how to replace a hard drive for a Toshiba laptop. If you run into any questions or problems, you are very welcome to email us at contact@labdoo.org. We will be happy to help you. Thank you.